Assalamu alaikum, our YouTube family. We're coming to you from the tent of one of the newest members of this refugee camp, and it's our sister right here, Kamila. Kamila has arrived to this camp only 20 days ago. She tried to stay in Syria to try to, um, wait to see what's going to happen with what's going on over there. Like many people, many Syrians are still there. But there are those Syrians who leave in order to escape all of the tragedies and all of the problems. Anyway, the sister has a plethora of medical conditions herself. First of all, she has problems with her colon. She also has a bad heart. And that's what she needs looked into and taken care of. She has a daughter that was here who suffered from Down syndrome. She was sitting with us, but she started to get unsettled, so she got up and we took her to the neighbor or somewhere outside. She has all of these children. These are some of her children, but others of her children are not around. So this is not the whole clan right here. So these kids are orphans as well. They're orphans. That's what brought the lady here. When she was in Syria, her husband died and she didn't have anybody in Syria. So now she's here with nobody except Allah and then you, brothers and sisters. We're asking you to donate generously for her, to help her with her medical issues, her medical bills, and also to help her daughter who has this Down syndrome. And the daughter has also a problem in her heart. 250 pounds for one family, 50 pounds for one single individual, inshallah, should be enough. But if you want to donate more, then fabihi wa ni'ma. May Allah accept it from us and accept it from you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.